Hey guys, my name is Simon. We're at One Bonsai here, and today is a very special day because we have this new device that came in. We talked a lot about it, we've heard a lot about it, but today it finally arrived. Introducing the new Oculus Quest. Yeah, excited to see what this can do actually and how it feels in game. So now I'm sure I made an area where there is nothing that I could hit. So I'm free to move in my virtual world and be sure that I will not hit any real life objects.
Okay.
So yeah, now that this is done, I can actually start playing a game. My arms are broken. What's up? Okay, he's back. Oh, he's angry. You have these outside cameras that track your movements. The overall feel of the device feels very good.
Thanks, Simon, for the feedback.